Hi, welcome to another dusty day in the shop. Today I'm going to be making, yep, you guessed it, some fishing rod holders that hang from my garage door with magnets.
Yeah.
To start this project, I'm just going to rip this 1/2-inch sheet of plywood down to just a few inches wide. And actually, I'm just going to rip it down to the length of one of these PVC couplings. So each one of these garage panels is about 20.5 inches. So I'll cut this strip to length here at the miter saw. I think if I just round over the edges a little bit, it'll fit nicely. So I'll do that over there at the router table. So now the edges are just ever so slightly rounded over, and it's got a better fit. The panel creates kind of a lip over here, so I'm going to move over to the table saw. I'm going to cut a shallow dado, if you will, to make room for this lip to go into. So now it sits flush with the inside of this panel here. So now the magnets can do their thing. But before I add the magnets, I want to spray paint the wood white so it kind of blends in with the garage door. So I'm marking a line where I want to pre-drill the holes through the PVC coupling. And I'm doing them all on the same side so that the barcode doesn't show when it's all fully assembled. So I'm still waiting for that paint to dry. I can go ahead and show you what kind of magnets I'll be using. They are these kind of magnets. They require a 1/2-inch hole, and I can show you how I'm going to drill those holes out with my new toy. Okay, everybody, say hello to Big Red. This is a floor standing drill press that I just picked up recently for $. I've only used it for one project so far. It's a wedding arch that I'm making for my own wedding. No video on that, but I hope to be using this in many more future videos. My phone died whilst drilling out the first hole, but the extent of what you missed is just that I have a depth stop set to drill out the thickness of the magnet. Here we go. A few more to go. Okay, now it's time for a little bit of epoxy. This is enough. That should be enough. I keep a little drop in each hole for the magnet. Oh, shoot. key. So I thought that was a good place to stop for the night, partially because I was starting to get way too cold. So now I have my little heater buddy turned on. So I let the epoxy cure overnight, and all that's left to do is just screw on the PVC couplings. And that's one side done. Doesn't look too shabby. Okay, I got the last one screwed on, and now it's time to slap them up there on the garage door. Okay, moment of truth. I hope it still fits on here. It fits. I can hold up to 8 rods if I double up, like I am here. I think these magnets are going to be plenty strong. When I eventually take them off, my landlord will have no idea that these were ever here, which is the whole plan. You know what they say, a happy landlord is a landlord that's kept in the dark about everything. Thank you for watching this video. I post whenever I can, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.